And then the third reason is our commitment to an interracial approach. So interracial relationships of substance provide opportunities for transformation and humanizing that are not available in other contexts. So my friendship with Chris, our friendship has sort of been an example that we use to talk about the importance of this, that we have cried with each other. As Chris mentioned, I've helped him through, been there with him through one of the most difficult periods of his life, and he's been with me through one of the most difficult periods of my life. And these kind of relationships allow for sharing at a much deeper level. And this interracial approach helps deconstruct the illusion of a chasm of difference separating us. That's why we don't like the bridge metaphor, because it's through the racial hierarchy of the United States and the racialized social structures that we have this myth of difference between us as human beings. And so an interracial approach has to be part of how we practice anti-racism.